What's going on? It's Roger. We are somewhere in the mountains. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of cars. Maybe 3 cars, SUVs, vans, whatever. I can't delineate, but and then there's 2 semi trucks there and another car behind them. There's a van. There's this Lexus or Toyota in front of me. This truck got stuck. This semi truck got stuck, and then the I believe it's a Tacoma that was leading us. You can see his lights blinking up there, and right next to the semi truck. He's all-wheel drive, but he's he got stuck, and so everyone's just trying to get him out now. The thing is too is that there's a plow